Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on the Hickum Outdoor YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going on a private offshore charter out of Port Aransas, Texas. We're going with Come and Take It Sport Fishing Charters. They always do a great job. Captain Ryan's been there the last 2 or 3 years, and we've never been disappointed. First year we went with them, we caught a white marlin, limited out on red snapper. Last year we caught a bunch of mahi like we did this year. Not the same size. You'll see that later in the video. We always have a great time when we go with them. We pretty much do exactly what we set out to do, and they do a great job. If you're going down there, be sure to check them out and see if they have any availability. If you guys enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like down below and comment for more videos like this in the future. Thank you guys for watching.
Got it!
You got that one!
Get over here.
Huh?
Mine are so dirty, you think?
Words of wisdom. Yeah.
Deck and flip it.
Yeah!
Yeah!
You want to get him?
You want to take that ride out again? Perfect. Look at me, look at me. I don't know. It's a different shot, so I don't know.
Is that what you're talking about?
Good job, you're a professional.
Oh.
Catch one.
That was good, that was really good.
Picture that's how you do it.
That's really good. Hell yeah. Nice.
Nice one.
Where'd my jig go? You see my jig
It's
on
the
the
side,
Oh,
right?
there. On the back side. Drop that jig down. There he is.
That ain't correct.
What was it?
No, he wouldn't eat it.
If that was his offer.
Pretty good, need some lettuce.